Hey guys, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the all-new 2021 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 26 MBRR. On the front of the unit, you do have tons of storage space here, and the Cherokee line has actually started using these black doors. They're highly reflective, as you can see. There's our pre-owned lineup, and they've added these nice little decals. On the outside of the unit, you do have a nice little outdoor kitchen. So you've got a cube refrigerator, contour ice maker, sprayer, grill, and wash basin sink. You've also got a nice large lighted and power awning. As you can see, it's got blue LEDs. You've got outdoor speakers, a TV mount, and cable and satellite hookups along with outlets. We'll go ahead and take a look inside. So at the back of the unit is your toy hauler area, and this space also doubles as a eating area and a bed. So in order to make it an eating area, what you would do is you would raise this table. It's very simple to raise up, and voila, you've got your dining room. Leave it down, you pull these cushions together, the seat cushions, and then you put the head cushions, back cushions, lay them down, and you've got a bed. You can sleep 2 or 3 people right here. Back here you've also got some storage. All of your lights are push button. Your main lights are on a switch right here by the door, so you don't have to walk through and individually shut them off and turn them on, but you can if you'd like. You've also got the party deck. So these screens, once you fold the gate down, if you just want to pull a toy in here, you would disconnect the cables, let the ramp all the way down, be able to pull something in here. If not, if you wanted to use it as a party deck, you'd fold the deck down, open up these gates, and then it's also got a screen up here. Over here in the kitchen, you've got a large single basin apron front sink with the pull down sprayer, and the Cherokee line has also started adding the hand sanitizing station next to the faucet. You've got plenty of storage in here. You've got the high contrast theme, so you've got darker cabinets, lighter flooring, lighter walls, lighter table. You got a 3-burner gray stone stovetop and oven, contour microwave, and Everchill refrigerator here. Nice large refrigerator and freezer. Over here you've got your fireplace. This is great for those cool fall nights. It'll keep this space nice and warm when it's like 50 degrees outside. Here you've got your radio, TV mount, all your hookups, and then you do have indoor speakers as well. And these speakers, indoors and outdoors, can be controlled separately. So you've got zone 1 and zone 2 here, or you can play them both at the same time. This unit also has large panoramic windows, as you can see. Let's take a walk back here. So in the bathroom, you've got a good amount of storage space here. Great place to store your towels right next to the shower. Large corner shower with the skylight overhead offers a little more headroom for the taller guys. And your lights are on a switch here. Turn around and close this door. On the other side, you've got your vanity, medicine cabinet, and a great place to store your toiletries and your toilet paper here, right behind the toilet. And back here is your bedroom. So you've got a nice walk-around bed here. And there's your second entry door. And then you've got a closet on each side of the bed along with USB ports and outlets. And then you've also got storage above the bed. Come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.